Hi everybody, Brandon Fixu. Today we're gonna start up the new pocket bike. The pull start's still broke. I just wrapped it up, so that still doesn't work. Probably gonna take that off just to start it. So I'll show you guys like these. No, it might not stay running. Just because it needs idle work done. That's the way I bought it. Before I had it running right with the idle. I'm just gonna show you guys what's matter with the full start. Oh yeah, I want to pump it first. That's what it does, and it doesn't go back in. So I'm just gonna use the jumper cables. I put out there, I fixed the back brake problem. Doesn't really do it as much. Not right smoother. All I did is really loosen this up. So I don't leave any black marks like on this bolt and these small spots in my kickstand. This is the way I'm gonna start it. I'm just gonna put the bolt right there and just hit right there. So the way I want to do this is make sure your thing's off. Put it right up here to your starter. Take this and put this on select and start and boom. That's my pocket bike. Just gotta get the pull start. That's it. As you guys can see, it runs and rides. I will make a riding video of this soon as I get my pull start. Or I'll maybe do it Friday, I don't know yet. So I will do a riding video. So that's how I jump start mine. Should shut this off. Not bad for $75. And I did take off every single plastic, even these chrome plastic pieces. Took off my back chain guard, all that, except for this piece. The way to get this off, I had to take another 2 socket wrenches, put one back there, one right here, and I had to twist that off. Then I unbolt this piece. I just took some sockets and did that. I get that off, just get this piece off. I had to take off this whole thing, just get this off, and I broke the bolt. I don't know where the bolt went. Oh well. I lost the bolt piece. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment below. See you later. Make sure. Bye.